Hi champions, Miss Sutherland here. We're going to look at, for our reading lesson today, we're going to review cause and effect. And we did this on Monday, but we're going to go ahead and do it again. A cause is why something happened, and effect is what happened. We use the word because in the middle to help describe the relationship. So for example, the students had to stay home from school because COVID-19 was around the world. So the effect, what happened? Students had to stay home. Why? Because of COVID-19. That would be an example of cause and effect to us today. Here's our cause and effect chart again. We saw this on Monday, and you already saw some of these keywords. They kind of give us a clue that we are approaching a cause and effect relationship. So as we go through some examples today, I'd like you to see if you notice any of these keywords. You can always come back to the screen and pause it and look at the words again. All right, let's go through some examples. So again, we have C, cause, E, effect. The effect is what happened, the cause is why. Let's make sure we're looking for those keywords. So number one. Since the refrigerator was practically empty, we had to go to the store. So I start by asking myself, what happened? Well, we had to go to the store. Why did we have to go to the store? The refrigerator was empty. So that's a cause and effect relationship. And a key word for me was the word since. That was the key word to tell me that a cause and effect relationship was happening. We can't switch it around. We can't say what happened, the refrigerator was empty because we had to go to the store. Even if you said that to yourself, you'd be thinking that doesn't make any sense. So let's try the next one. As the wind speed increases, the sailboat moves faster. The key word here is as. And what happened? The boat moved faster. Why did the boat move faster? Well, the wind increased. Okay, that makes sense. It would not be able to be flipped. We cannot say what happened, the wind increased because the sailboat moved faster. No, the boat needs the wind to move. So I'd like you to try 1, 2, and 3. I'd like you to pause the video, see if you can label the cause and effect, and find the keyword that lets us know it's a cause and effect relationship. All right, let's look at number 1. Let's see how you did. A peacock will spread his feathers so he will attract a female. Well, the keyword is so. So what happened? A peacock will spread his feathers is the effect. Why? He wants to attract a female. That's the only reason he is spreading his beautifully colored feathers, is to attract a female. So we had to go the other way this time. The effect was first. So this one was a little tricky to me, but this is the one that makes the most sense. Number 2, Maria didn't follow the recipe correctly, so the cake did not come out as expected. There's the key word, which is so. Poor Maria, she should have followed the recipe, right? So, what happened? The cake did not come out as expected. Why? Well, because Maria did not follow the instructions. That's the cause. If she had followed the instructions, maybe it would have come out correctly. Number 3, Fred was driving 75 in a 35-mile zone. Therefore, he got a speeding ticket. Therefore. So what happened? Well, he got a speeding ticket. Why? He was speeding. He was going 70 miles in a 35. That's not safe, Fred. Not good, buddy. All right. Fast lesson today. So your turn, you're going to listen to a new story. It's called The Bad Case of the Stripes. This is actually one of my favorite stories. I love to read it at the beginning of the year every year. You can search for it in the search bar, or you can just look through all the titles. But we're going to Storyline Online again, and you're going to look for cause and effect. So you have 3 parts to fill in. So again, the effect is what, the cause is why. So Camilla loved lima beans but never ate them is the why. Try to tell me the what happened. And then I give you 2 effects. Camilla's stripes turned red, white, and blue. Why they turned red, white, and blue? I'm cured, Camilla shouted. Why? So you can listen to the story as many times as you'd like, but I'd like you to fill out those 3 parts, and we will share together on Zoom.